We deny our own dreams and we settle for less. When we convince ourselves that we can't perform at our best. While the rest of the world is involved in progress, we settle for lesser. But I hope that one day we won't submit under pressure and we'll confront our own selves instead of blaming the oppressor. Because no one forces us to put the dope in our veins. And no one forces us to blow out someone's brains. And no one forces us to inflict so much pain. So why do we do it? Is it that we're insane? Some people say that we're trained to follow our low desires. And we turn away when we see what progress requires. Progress requires that we look into our own soul, that we civilize ourselves and demonstrate self-control, that we stop valuing ourselves as opposed to valuing the whole. But we believe that we've achieved manhood the first time that we kill, the first time that we steal, or the first time that we rape. But a man is not judged by how much he can take, or from stealing from others to put food on his plate. A man is defined by the strength of his heart, and by the wisdom his mind is able to spark. But we live in a society that keeps us in the dark and uses religion to keep us apart. But I know that one day we'll learn from our mistakes. When we love ourselves and abandon self-hate. And for that day, I anxiously await. Thank you.
All right.